Okay, I'm going to show you how to do a dilution similar to how we did in the lab. Um, in this type of problem, we're given a molarity, we're given volume, and we're given another molarity. So the easiest way to solve this problem is using the formula M1V1 equals M2V2. M is the molarities and V is the volume. And then in the problem, here's the situation. We have 16 molar sulfuric acid, and that's how it usually comes to us from a chemical company. But in a lab, we only want to use 0.10 molarity. And so we needed to dilute this 16 molar, and we only want 1.5 liters of it. So the question is, how much of the 16 molar do we need to use to make this? So I'm going to make my M1 be my 16 molar, and I don't know how much I want of that. So I'm going to have a question mark, or you can leave it as V2, or sorry, V1. And then my knowns are the 0.10 molarity and my 1.5 liters. And you could be in liters or milliliters. Those are really easy to change back and forth. And then when we do this dividing, we go ahead and solve, and we get 9.38 times 10 to the negative third liters, and this is of our 16 molar that we need to use. And then just to make it even easier, I'm going to go ahead and put this into milliliters by dividing by 1,000, so 9.38 milliliters. So that's how much 16 molar H2SO4 I need to use. And if I was making the solution, I would want to use 9.38 milliliters of 16 molar H2SO4, and I would put that in an Erlenmeyer flask like we did in the lab, or if I had a volumetric flask, that would be ideal. And then I would fill the rest up with distilled water, and I would fill it up to the 150 milliliter mark. And then I would have my solution made.